present 21st century is the age of information technologies and boundless possibilities. But scientific progress involves both advantages and disadvantages. The rapid development of industries and transport has aggravated significantly the critical ecological situation on the Earth. The amount of useful substances contained in foodstuffs has decreased drastically, which made their consumption even hazardous for health, while the drinking water turned into a cocktail containing chlorine and other impurities. How does this situation affect our organisms? It is daily attacked by various bacteria and viruses. Even a person possessing good immunity is not protected against the intrusion of bacteria, viruses, helminthes and fungi. Just imagine, up to 150 different parasites can live in your body, secreting toxins that poison your organism, destroy immunity, cause allergy. The chemical wastes in the body provoke permanent fatigue, low working capacity, headache, frequent colds. Over time, the recognized need has appreciated to create technologies that would help the body to resist such negative influences. Business Process Technologies, an innovative, fast-growing company, seeks to implement high-tech IT products that improve the quality of people's life around the world. The unique wellness system, specially developed for business process technologies, is the outcome of the long-term scientific research and development. The complex includes the Life Balance device and the Life Expert Web Clinic. The current method used in the complex was developed as early as the beginning of the 20th century. In 1920, a scientist, Royal Raymond Rife, invented the world's first ultraviolet microscope and micromanipulator. Using this sophisticated equipment, Rife managed to see a living virus. Rife painstakingly identified the individual radiation spectrum of each microbe using the properties of the spectral section. After that, he affected the virus with its own frequency, which caused resonance. The resonance increased frequency radiation, just as two ocean waves intensify each other on merging. Thus, the scientists increased their natural fluctuations until the viruses died of radiation, which, however, did not cause harm to surrounding tissues. Royal Raymond Rife called this frequency the death rate. These principles formed the basis of the unique Life Balance device and the Life Expert Express Scanning Complex. The Life Balance portable wellness device is designed for effectively controlling parasites, cleansing the body of toxins, and preventing many diseases. With the help of electromagnetic waves, whose frequency coincides with the microorganisms' vibrations, the Life Balance affects pathogenic microorganisms in the body and destroys them, strengthening these fluctuations. A dark-field microscope makes the device effect obvious. We placed a slipper animalcule onto the microscope and after a few seconds started the device. As you can see, the effect of the device caused resonance and the rupture of the membrane. Of great importance is the fact that these electromagnetic waves are quite safe for humans, as the frequency of parasite vital functions does not interfere with the frequency of human activity. Life Balance is completely safe for the human body and affects only parasites. Its use has no age limits. The Life Balance device has 71 basic programs, as well as the function of programming personal wellness complexes. The device works in conjunction with the Life Expert Web Clinic, which helps you to get information on the functional state of 47 organs and systems in your body, to select the most beneficial drugs, to identify individual food intolerance without eating it, and thus selected food products, drugs, cosmetics, dietary supplements, etc. To control the effectiveness of drugs, etc. to create automatically your individual complex and enter it into the live balance device. The device operation principle is based on measuring the skin electric resistance using special electrodes. All you need to do is to put the head electrode on your head, pick up the hand electrodes and put your feet on the foot electrodes. Within a minute, the live expert will measure all characteristics and send the data to a powerful server by using a special computer program. This server compares the data with more than 1 million different indices, and the outcome is returned and printed if necessary. Reports are presented in the form of colorful illustrations, spine diagrams, or grams demonstrating the physiological state of organs and systems. One can compare the results of scanning before and after the impact of certain external factors, weather change, taking medications, food, cosmetics, etc. Thus, you can monitor your body condition daily. Carry out express scanning in the morning and in the evening and immediately make up an individual complex that protects you from viruses, bacteria, fungi and parasites to harmonize and restore immunity. These devices are extremely easy to operate, do not require additional training and are intended for use at home. Undoubtedly, preventing a problem is much easier, cheaper and safer than finding ways to eliminate it, especially if it concerns your health. Business process technologies offer new technologies to protect your health.